Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 2 on the chapter The Adventure. Up to now we know that Professor Gaitonde was traveling by the Jijamata Express. Along the way he saw the stations, towns, and he found that there were changes. He was surprised and confused to see these changes. He found that all the things were totally different from what he had read in his history books. And he wanted to know what was the reason that had brought these changes. For this, he wanted to meet Rajen Deshpande, who would surely help him understand what had happened. In the meantime, he saw an Anglo-Indian in uniform. He was going through the train and checking the train tickets. Let us start. This is where the British Raj begins. You are going for the first time, I presume, Khan Sahab asked. A fellow passenger, Khan Sahab, told Gangadhar Pant that was where the British Raj began. Khan Sahab told Gangadhar Pant that he assumed that he was going, he means Gangadhar Pant was going for the first time. Yes, the reply was factually correct. Yes, Gangadhar Pant replied in affirmative, and the reply was factually correct. Gangadhar Pant had not been to this Bombay before. See, Gangadhar Pant had not been to this Bombay before. This Bombay means the Bombay of another India in another world. Actually, we know that Gangadhar Pant was in another India of another world. That's why he was surprised and confused. See the line? Gangadhar Pant had not been to this Bombay before. He ventured a question, and Khan Sahab, how will you go to Peshawar? He means Gangadhar Pant. Ventured means took a risk to put a question to Khan Sahab. Gangadhar Pant took a risk to put a question to Khan Sahab and asked how he would go to Peshawar. Gangadhar Pant asked Khan Sahab how he would go to Peshawar. This train goes to the Victoria terminus. I will take the Frontier Mail tonight out of Central. Khan Sahab told Gangadhar Pant how he would go to Peshawar. He told him that this train means the Jijamata Express, goes to the Victoria terminus. Victoria terminus now is Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus. Now Victoria terminus is known as Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus. This train means by which they were travelling. The Jijamata Express goes to the Victoria terminus. I will take Frontier Mail out of Central, and he told him that he would take the Frontier Mail tonight, means that night, out of Central. This was the plan of Khan Sahab. Khan Sahab told Gangadhar Pant that Jijamata Express went to the Victoria terminus, and from there he would take the Frontier Mail that night out of Central. How far does it go? By what route? Gangadhar Pant asked Khan Sahab how far it went and by what route he would go to Peshawar. Bombay to Delhi, then to Lahore, then Peshawar. Khan Sahab told that he would go from Bombay to Delhi, then to Lahore, and then to Peshawar. A long journey. I will reach Peshawar the day after tomorrow. Khan Sahab told that it was a long journey and he would reach Peshawar the day after tomorrow. He told him that he would reach Peshawar the day after the next day. Thereafter Khan Sahab spoke a lot means too much, about his business, and Gangadhar Pant was a willing listener. Thereafter Khan Sahab told Gangadhar Pant a lot about his business, and Gangadhar Pant was a willing listener to Khan Sahab. For in that way he was able to get some flavor of life in this India that was so different. See, for in that way, he means Gangadhar Pant was able to get some flavor means taste of life in this India, in the India of another world that was so different. See, by talking and listening to Khan Sahab, Gangadhar Pant was able to get some taste of life of the India of another world that was so much different from the India about which he had read in his history books. The train now passed through the suburban rail traffic. Now the train passed through the suburban rail traffic. The blue carriages carried the letters GBMR on the side. See, the blue carriages carried the letters GBMR on the side. What was the full form? See, the full form of these letters was Greater Bombay Metropolitan Railway. Explained Khan Sahab. Khan Sahab explained to Gangadhar Pant the full form of GBMR. See the tiny Union Jack painted on each carriage. See, the tiny means small. Union Jack means national flag of the United Kingdom, painted on each carriage. Actually, Khan Sahab told Gangadhar Pant to see the small Union Jack means small national flags of the United Kingdom that were painted on each carriage. A gentle reminder that we were in British territory. And see, these flags were a gentle reminder that they were in the territory of the British government.